Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to speed up your internet connection using DNS settings. If your internet feels slow when loading websites, changing your DNS can make a noticeable difference without upgrading your plan. First, understand what DNS does. DNS, or Domain Name System, is what translates website names into IP addresses. Your internet provider assigns a default DNS, but it's not always the fastest. Switching to a faster DNS can reduce loading time and improve responsiveness. Now change your DNS settings. On Windows, go to Network Settings, open your active connection, and edit the IPv4 settings. On Mac, go to System Settings, Network, then DNS. On mobile devices, you can change DNS in Wi-Fi settings or use private DNS options. Replace your current DNS numbers with the ones you chose. After updating, save your changes and reconnect to the internet. This ensures your device starts using the new DNS immediately. To get the best results, test your speed before and after the change. You can use tools like Speed Test by Ookla to compare performance and confirm improvement. Keep in mind, DNS won't increase your actual bandwidth, but it can make browsing feel faster and more responsive. And that's it. Switch to a faster DNS, apply the settings, and test your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.